Hello and good morning to Furry and Finley with another episode of How to Adult. Scrambled eggs today. I'm making them in the microwave. And a lot of people have problems with that because they just put it all in and leave it there and then it separates and goes all rubbery and horrible. And those that try it on the stove that aren't highly skilled in egg cookery end up with pretty much the same thing happening, dry and sandy and awful or undercooked. So got me some lovely 2 eggs, a microwave jug, a little bit of milk, and just for flavouring I like to throw in a bit of horseradish cream. You can put in pretty much whatever you want. So eggs go straight in. Whisk the shit out of them. And yes, again, I'm using a fork. So they should change colour a bit and go more pale, and that's what you're looking for. So, yeah, the yolk and the whites are all mixed together nicely. Get that egg off my hands. Can't stand the feel of egg on my hands. That's better. So now I'm going to use the other end of my stirring implement. Put a nice blob of that in. And at this stage you can put in herbs or whatever you want. Bacon chips, cheese, a little bit of just a tiny little dash. If you put too much in, it'll go watery. And that's often what a lot of people get wrong, is how much milk do you put in? It's usually about a teaspoon, 1 or 2 teaspoons. And I wish my neighbours would shut up. The laundry's out front of my house, so I hear all the conversations and all the traffic, and it's just frustrating. So my camera is on top of the microwave, so I'm going to put it in for a full minute, and it's on medium heat, so if you got it on high, just half a minute should do. Get a job. So there's my first minute. I usually put 3 eggs in, so notice how nice and fluffy that is, but how raw it still is. So you go scrape that away and mix it up to get these lovely lumpy bits. A nice scramble. Lovely little scramble. And put it back in for 30 seconds. you'll have to do this several times. Let's try to show it my hands. I should wash my fork. There we go. Neighbours Sam and Patrick talking. So usually it takes a bit longer than that, but usually you have a thicker and heavier jug. But that that's perfect. It's light, it's fluffy. I'd like it to be a bit lighter than that, but I should have only put it in for 10 seconds. But my experience has always been that with the other jug that I use that's not clear, it needs longer because it's thicker and more insulated. So, a minute and 30 seconds, you have yourself some really nice scrambled eggs, and I'm going to put these on toast with a little bit of sauce, and see you later. Over and out from the Fairy Finley.